Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to verify age on TikTok. Alright, so let's begin with the video. If TikTok is showing the wrong age or you want to update it, you can do this through TikTok support. Open the TikTok app on your iPhone or Android and tap the profile icon at the bottom right. From there, tap the three lines at the top right and go to Settings and Privacy. There isn't a direct option to change your age, so scroll down to Support and About section and tap on Help Center. Here, if you see any section related to Verify Age, tap on it, otherwise just tap on Chat with Us button at the bottom. This will open TikTok support. In the message box, type something like, "I'd like to verify my age with TikTok. Can you help?" and send it. TikTok will respond with options such as updating your birthday or verifying your age. Then you can say, "I want to update my birthday." Follow the instructions they provide and complete the verification process. The review usually takes 1 to 2 days, and once approved, your age will be updated correctly, including access to age-restricted features if you're eligible. And that's it. So that is how you can verify age on TikTok. So that's all for this video. Thanks.